Create a 10 by 10 grid and assign a percentage to each one of the row all the way to 100. You can see the row 1 is 1%, row 1 and column 2 is 2%, all the way down to 100. Step 2, connect to the Tableau. Now move row to row, columns to column, and then you can change them to dimensions. If you change the dimension after dragging, the 1% will start at the bottom left corner. Let me add the percent to the mark to show you. Now you can see at the bottom of the left corner is 1% and the top right corner is 100%. After, if we simply drag the column and the row to the dimension, and we drag column to column, rows to rows, the 100% will be located at the bottom of the right corner. But I want to change the 100% to the top right corner, so I just click the row and sort it to descending order. Now you can see the 100% will be located at the top right corner. And let me remove the marks. Let's connect to another data. Create a calculated field to name the profit ratio. We use the sum of profit divided by sum of sales. And we drag a profit ratio to detail. Let's go back to Waffle data source user sheet 1. And let's create another calculate field. I named it as color box. And let's do it. Make a profit ratio greater or equal than sum of a percentage. This will come out with a Boolean result, true or false. And we drag the color box to the color shelf, and you will get the first 12 bars colored. When you move over one of these color bars, you will see the tooltip shows 12.5%. This chart doesn't really look like a waffle chart, so I would like to adjust its size, and you'll find out it is very difficult to adjust by the size. So let's create another thing called average one on the column shelf. And we adjust the axis, the average one, let's fix that to 0 to 1. And this will make this chart easy to adjust. Let's adjust it to the size we really like. Let's click the center of the chart and create a mark. I want to show the profit ratio number, make this chart easy to read. Color of this chart, let's change the orange to the green and the blue part to the very light gray to make it stand out. Let's get out all these green lines, make it prettier. Let's add a region to the filter. And check out the true or false card since we don't need it anymore. Let's duplicate the working sheet. We keep only the central region. After duplicate each region's sheet, now we can create our dashboard. Let's open the dashboard and make it bigger. Let's align each of the regions on the storyboard. And I would like to add a title, make it easy to read, so we can easily see from the chart which region has the highest fluffy ratio. If you want to use different mark for our waffle chart, we first need to adjust the asset size in order to fit a different label. So let's change it to 2, make it bigger. And then from the automatic, let's change to different shape. Let's try to change the shape to diamond. Voila! Now you can see it's already changed, and can change to star, to anything you like. Also, you can modify the color. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.